don't care what straw you drew. Gotta let it make the best of you. We played a game, we were running a race. So when you're like, boy, you just gotta find your place. Used to be like you, sit here in the dark, watch them in the spotlight, pick myself apart. That's a good way to get a bad start. I don't care what straw you drew, gotta let it make the best of you. They bring down the lights, then the room went dark. I could clearly see his face, big colors on marked box, ready for the stage. He said, let me ask you this, what you gonna do? Pick yourself up or find a crack to fall through. That's a good way to get a bad start. I don't care what straw you drew, gotta let it make the best of you. You don't need a good way to get a bad start. I don't care what straw you drew.